I love you. I'm a wiggly worm.
Don't shoot the gun.
That was fun. What animal do you want to be now?
I don't know. It's a little frog.
Why don't you play at being frogs?
Frogs are not as pretty as butterflies or as wiggly as worms.
But frogs do play a game you like.
Do frogs play dolls' houses?
Silly Peppa, what's your favourite game?
Jumping in muddy puddles.
Yes, frogs love jumping in muddy puddles.
Yes, George. Let's play frogs. I'm a little froggy. I'm a little froggy.
Froggies have found a nice big play.
What did I tell you?
Peppa and George love
About doing that
jumping
inside.
in muddy puddles.